I'm Nidhin. I'm a UI developer with over 10 plus years of real world experience in building web applications. Here we learn front-end development in the smart way. In this video series, we'll be learning Angular from scratch step by step. So some of you might be heard about Angular, some of you already knows about Angular. So I'll be explaining each and every features with the code snippet, so you'll get better idea. So the first question may be like why to learn Angular, right? So Angular is one of the most powerful front-end framework used today, and it is backed by Google, and it makes your code modular, cleaner and scalable. So because of scalability, it is used in big enterprise applications. So because of this, so every year there will be n number of openings are coming for this Angular developers. So if you learn Angular with all concepts, so grabbing a job will be easier for you. നിങ്ങളൊരു UI developer ആവണമെന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ learning Angular is one of the best skill set you can add to your resume. So this course is mainly focusing for students who is learning front end or even beginners who just know HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics, and working professionals who want to shift to UI, our developers preparing for interviews. I'll be explaining each and every features with code snippets so you will get better clarity so you can perform well. So in this course you will be learning Angular setup, so all the features available within the Angular, so how to deploy the Angular applications, and also you can prepare for interviews. So I will teach you in casual style like explain to junior developer or teammate. So I use English and Malayalam terms in between. So if you need any help at any point of time, please let me know through comment box or feedback. So I'll help you on that. Okay. So before starting this course, so if you know something about some basics about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it is good. അതുമില്ലെങ്കിലും you can follow it because I will connect everything slowly, okay? If you are serious about becoming a front-end developer, do subscribe, do share, comment your doubts, topic, feedback. Let's build beautiful UIs. Let's grow our skills. I'm Nithin. This is CodePixel UI, where you learn real front-end development. See you in the next video. Angular setup തുടങ്ങാം. Goodbye.